is the Smart Recorder. And it's definitely a must-see here. So we're going to click on All Programs, and we're going to go to the folder for Smart Technologies. This is kind of part of the Smart Notebooks software suite. And you go to Smart Tools, and you choose the Smart Recorder. This is definitely one that's worthy of pinning to your taskbar by clicking right and hitting pin to taskbar. But I'm just going to open it up. It opens up like this, and there's a couple of options here. Let's just look at the menu. So I'm going to go to options. First of all, you can change the video format that you want to save to. You can also put watermarks on your video if you wanted to kind of copyright them, but obviously I'm not going to do that. The other thing is that you can click this arrow and you have the choice of recording your entire desktop, just an area of your desktop, or the window. Now the window, again, is kind of the same thing as tab recording. And what that does is it just records the window that you have visible on your screen. It's not going to record any of the menu, or if you minimize or open up another program, it won't record it. It's only going to record the current window. I usually very often do not use that. I usually record the desktop or sometimes the area. First of all, let's just talk about recording the desktop. This is fantastic for like if you're creating your own videos, your own instructional videos. Maybe you have a flipped classroom, perfect for that. Let me actually just start opening Smart Notebook for a minute. And then I'm going to start recording a video. So I'm going to record my whole desktop. And this is, I'm just going to minimize this so you don't see it in the recording. But basically what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to have any application open. So I have Smart Notebook open. And then what I'm going to do is maybe write a lesson for x plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and show how to solve this problem. And minus 2, so that's now 8. 4x. I'm not very good with the pen, as you can see. And then divided by 4. 4. And x equals 2. All right. So I hope the math people are happy with that one. So now what I can do is I'll hit stop, and it goes ahead and it starts to save the video, and I can rename it here. So I'm going to say math lesson, and I'm going to choose where I want to save it, maybe the desktop, and I'll just go ahead and hit save. And it's going to go ahead and save that video for me. So this is now just a quick, easy way for you to create your own videos that you can post to your Google Classroom. You can throw them up in Google Drive, put them on a website, however you share videos with your students, and for you to create your own videos using the Smart Recorder. Okay, so then you just click OK, and you're back to the beginning. Now, I want to just show the area of a window. Let's say that I had this video that I wanted to play, and for some reason, whoops, I'm just sorry about the sound here. Well, I guess we have to go through the ad, so we'll just let that talk. It's very fun for you, I'm sure. Okay, so I have this video. And what I'm going to do is, let's just say, for instance, the Real Player Downloader didn't work. I found an internet video. I couldn't save it with the Real Player Downloader. I really want this video. This is a way to kind of like cheat the system. What you can do is you can say record area. And what that allows you to do is it says you should draw a rectangle around the area you'd like to record. So I'm going to draw an area around this video that I wasn't able to record with the Real Player. And then I'm just going to hit play. Okay, that was not really an appropriate sound in the background there, but now what I'm going to do, oops, sorry, is go back and hit stop. And now it's going to just saved area. So that just recorded that one area. which is kind of a nice way to sort of fake out the system here. So that should say pretty quick. So let me go to the desktop, and I called it saved area. There it is. If I double click on it now, see how it's it recorded just that portion of the video. So it's kind of a nice way to be able to record something that you weren't able to with the real player. So that's a couple ways of using the smart recorder. Why don't you try doing a video with the smart recorder? I think you're going to find it to be a really great tool.